All right, ladies and gentlemen, and today on another episode of SRM Performance, we got this little mamalona right here. Homeboy broke the rear end out this thing. Homeboy broke the rear end, so we're gonna jump in this thing, fire it up, move it in the back. The rear end is broken. Sometimes it goes forward, sometimes it don't. The reason it's in reverse is because I drove it in reverse like this off the trailer. So I'm gonna try to go forward as much as I can, maybe even just this way, and then I'll start reversing it inside the shop. See, guys. Well, guys, as you can see, I didn't want to go into gears no more or anything, so we're shit out of luck on that one. But I did get it on the lift, so we're gonna go ahead and lift it up and start tearing it down. So, guys, we were gonna build the rear end out of this thing, but look at the way it looks. Turn this down real quick. Jesus! Look at all them broken pieces in there. Yeah, so this is goner. And then if you look down here, look. Got some sunlight coming through there. Gonna put a hole right there too. So there's no building this. So we got another one already, as y'all can see. He bought it last night. So we got another one right here. Gonna take this one apart and then slap it in. And then over her down yonder, got ourselves some little gears. Then we got everything else we need in there. The gears, the pinion, and everything. But as you can see, I still got it in the boxes, so the dust and the dirt won't get in it. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start ripping this rear end out. Get this sucker out, and then I'm gonna start getting that one in here. Let's get to it. So, guys, these things didn't want to come off. They were on there too hard. As you can see, I cut it off because I don't give a damn cut. Anyways, they had to be cut off because they're on there too tight, and as you can see, they're already locked on there and it's cross-threaded on there, some. So we're gonna cut them all off. We already got this side off. Now let's do the other side. Alright, guys, so we got the leaf springs loose already, as you can see, so we can be able to get it out. This one I took it completely down. Let me turn this down again. This one I took it completely down, as you can see it. That way it'll give me plenty of room. I already disconnected these lines. These just got little quick disconnects over here. As you can see on this piece, slide it in through that little hole and then it'll lock in that slot. So yeah, there's that. And then as far as the rear end, it will teeter-totter back and forth. So what I did was I put these 2x4s in there on that plate on top of the rear end, and it's holding it pretty good, as you can see. So we're gonna go ahead and start going down with it. As you can see, you can barely see it. There we go. Let's start going down with it slowly. Oh, something's turning. What's going on? Something's turning. The wire's some teeter-totting. Alright, I'm gonna go down with it slowly, and then I'm gonna, while it's going down, I'm gonna hold it over here. What happens when you're doing this by yourself, so be careful. As you can see, it's going down. I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down because y'all can't see in here anyways that good, so I'm gonna put it down. Alright, guys, before we get too ahead of ourselves, this is the old rear end. As you can see, it's all broken and nasty. We already got it out. Got the brake light changed out too. We got the rotors off, or the drums in this case, and we're already bolted this thing up, put new U-straps on there and all that. As you can see, new U-straps over here too. So I just started tearing this down. We already took the pin out. I got the pin in here and the bolts in here and all that. We're just gonna clean all this out right now, and then in the morning I'll get back to it and I'll start putting the pinion in the gear. And right now I'm gonna pull out the hubs, the axles, and pull out this pumpkin or the carrier, whatever you want to call it. Then knock out that pinion and all that. Try to clean this up a little bit. I need to get some brake fluid in the morning, so I don't got none. So I'll just clean as much as possible. It's already like 7 anyway, so we'll get it finished up tomorrow. But yes, sir, we're already there.